Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Now I've been waiting a while to talk about this, but I think Dodge is going to break the internet with its newest car. Mopar's direct connection team, along with SRT and Dodge, have created one of the wildest factory race cars I have ever seen. The all-new 2026 Dodge Charger Hustle Stuff Drag Pak. Now this is the first time ever that Dodge has taken the Charger nameplate and turned it into a full-blown factory drag car. That's right, the Drag Pak program, which has always been reserved for the Challenger, has now evolved into a Charger. And this thing is an absolute monster. It's track only, purpose built, and engineered to dominate the NHRA Factory Stock Showdown class. Now, under the hood sits a supercharged 5.8 liter, 354 cubic inch HEMI V8. Now, this isn't some leftover from the previous Challenger Drag Pak. It's a totally re-engineered version of the championship winning setup. Dodge and SRT Performance went through every part of this engine to make it stronger, lighter, and faster. It's got a Gen 3 aluminum HEMI block, diamond aluminum pistons, forged steel 8 counterweight crankshaft, H-beam connecting rods, and a lightweight billet supercharged belt tensioner, all designed to handle the brutal launches and 7-second quarter-mile passes that this car is capable of. Now, sitting on top is a massive 3-liter Whipple twin-screw supercharger, force-feeding the HEMI enough air to make sub-8-second elapsed times possible right out of the box. This car doesn't need aftermarket tuning or upgrades. It's delivered turnkey, ready for NHRA-approved factory stock showdown competition. Now, only 50 serialized units of the Charger Hustle Stuff Drag Pak will be produced, and each one will come with a unique plaque mounted in the engine bay showing its unique production number. Now, these cars will be hand-built and race-prepared by Riley Technologies in Mooresville, North Carolina, a company that has worked hand-in-hand with SRT on multiple championship-winning racing programs. The Hustle Stuff name goes way back to Mopar's roots. In the 1970s, Hustle Stuff was the name of Mopar's official speed parts catalog, packed full of performance upgrades, race prep kits, and weight-saving components. The 2026 Drag Pak brings that same spirit to life, engineered to chase the last tenth of a second. Now let's talk about what really makes this car special. Dodge used carbon fiber for the hood, the doors, front fascia, and the rear hatch, making the new Charger Drag Pak a full 100 pounds lighter than the previous Challenger-based version. Even the front and rear bumpers are lightweight designs, and the front K-member is a race-engineered piece that cuts static weight and improves rigidity. The suspension setup is all new too. Out back there's a 4-link rear suspension with a Mark Williams Enterprise 9-inch modular rear axle, and a 430 to 1 final drive ratio. The axle is equipped with micro-polished ring and pinion gears, 40 spline gun-drilled axles, and pocketed carriers for reduced rotating weight. Up front, Dodge installed double adjustable coilover shocks, race-designed knuckles, aluminum upper and lower control arms, and cylindrical bearings for precise control under hard acceleration. Now, the transmission is a Cone Racing XLT 3-speed automatic featuring a lightweight billet torque converter, micro-polished internals, and a Reed SFI certified case. It's connected to a 4-inch diameter 70-75 aluminum drive shaft built to handle the stress of hard drag strip launches. Braking performance comes from Mark Williams 4-piston aluminum calipers with lightweight cross-drilled rotors, and the fuel system is NHRA spec with an ATL drag race fuel cell and Aeromotive brushless racing pump. Steering is handled by a Flaming River 15-to-1 ratio manual rack designed for direct feedback and minimal weight. Now, inside, the Charger Hustle Stuff Drag Pak mixes the look of the new generation Charger with the all-business focus of a purpose-built race car. There's a full NHRA certified chromoly roll cage, carbon fiber instrument panel closeouts, C-built lightweight racing seats embroidered with both the direct connection and Hustle Stuff logos, 6-point harnesses, and a Race Pack 6.86-inch digital dash display that ties into a Holley EFI Dominator ECU and a Race Pack SmartWire power module. Every wire, switch, and data point has been optimized for race use. On the outside, the car's styling ties perfectly to the new Dodge Charger's wide-body look. It's muscular, menacing, and 100% Mopar. The Fratzog logo, Dodge's modern symbol of performance, sits proudly front and rear, while the hood gets a unique Drag Pak badge in place of the production 6-pack model's bezel. Now, buyers will have the choice of 18 high-impact exterior colors, including fan favorites like B5 Blue, Frostbite, Go Mango, Cinnamon Stick, Sublime, and Plum Crazy. And Dodge will even offer 3 optional graphics packages, including one with red and blue direct connection stripes across the hood and sides. Now, every element of this car is designed for speed, even the electronics. The Charger Hustle Stuff Drag Pak features race pack data logging, HEMI V8 SD sensors, and optional lightweight and data packages that allow racers to monitor things like suspension travel, transmission temperature, O2 readings, and more. There's even a lightweight engine component package that includes a Blackbird front cover and external oil pump setup, and a driveline lightweight package with a carbon fiber drive shaft and aluminum rear yoke for even more weight savings. Now, performance-wise, this thing is a weapon. Dodge says the new Charger Hustle Stuff Drag Pak is capable of running sub 8-second quarter miles right out of the crate, and if that doesn't drop your jaw, the brand is also putting some serious money on the line. As part of the NHRA contingency program, Dodge will pay $26,000 to the first racer who wins an NHRA Factory Stock Showdown event with this car. That's the largest payout that Dodge has ever offered in its contingency history. Now, the Charger Hustle Stuff Drag Pak is for track use only, with a starting price of $234,995. Yeah, it's not cheap, and that doesn't even include the taxes and fees. But reservations open today, and customers can get on a waiting list by emailing support@dcperformance.com. Now, orders are first come, first serve, and trust me, these 50 cars are going to sell out fast. The car will make its official racing debut at the NHRA Gator Nationals in Gainesville, Florida from March 5th through the 8th of 2026. Before that, fans can actually see it in person this weekend at the Dodge NHRA Nevada Nationals, powered by Direct Connection, at the Strip at Las Vegas Motor Speedway. And then, again, at the SEMA show in Las Vegas next week. This car also marks a new era for SRT. It's the first race car built under the re-established SRT Performance Division, which now oversees Direct Connection and Dodge's American Motorsports efforts. It's a sign that Dodge isn't slowing down. They're doubling down on their drag racing heritage and proving that the Charger nameplate can still raise hell on the quarter mile. Now, the Charger Hustle Stuff Drag Pak follows decades of drag pack dominance that started back in 2008 with the drag pack itself. In 2010, they had a 392 version and a V10 option, and then in 2015 and 2019, brought home multiple NHRA titles. The previous Challenger Drag Pak took home back-to-back Factory Stock Showdown championships in 2024 and 2025. Now this new Charger-based version is ready to continue that winning streak with less weight, more technology, and unmistakably Dodge attitude. So tell me what you think of this car in the comments below. Does it make you want a HEMI Charger even more? Make sure to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.